Hey everybody, it's Pixel, and today we are going to be making a turkey hash from our Tombstone cookbook. Now, if your house is anything like mine right now, there's a ton of Thanksgiving leftovers, so this is a perfect little hash to make out of some of those leftovers that you're sick of just eating straight up. For this, we're going to need 2 cups of turkey, about 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, some leftover gravy, approximately 1/4 cup of it, salt and pepper, 1/2 teaspoon each or so, 1/4 cup of onions and mixed peppers, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 2 eggs. Yeah, I thought it was pretty simple too. Well, you know the drill. Let's go. Okay, our butter is already in our pan. We got our onions and peppers in there. We're going to give them a good 5 minutes or so until they start softening. Next, we'll be putting in our parsley and salt and pepper and our turkey. We're going to let that cook for about 10 more minutes and see how it looks. After a good 10 minutes of rewarming up and getting a little bit of brown on it, we'll add in our gravy, which I have watered down a little. I'm going to turn off our burner and let the residual heat cook the rest of that and warm it up. Alright, we took our 2 eggs and decided to soft fry them. This took about 2 to 3 minutes, just turning them over at least once in the middle. You could probably also poach them, or if you're a little more confident about it, just put them directly into the hash and let them cover up and cook right in the hash. But as I did that, also took some of our leftover potatoes and made a nice little bed for our hash. Gotta tuck it in right. Put a good 2 tablespoons or so on it. Start off with 1 of our eggs. Just top it off. And there you have it. Tombstone cookbook hash. Well, you know what time it is. We gotta try it out. So let's go. Well, I think our hash looks pretty good. Got a nice runny egg going on. Best part's here, folks. We gotta try it out. Well, our hash is honestly an amazing option for your leftovers. I am glad I put potatoes under it personally. And you could probably put it whatever you want. You could probably even put the potatoes in with the hash if I had thought about it. And of course the egg acts a nice little flavor palette to it, with the yolk almost being like a sauce. So when I saw that recipe in our book, I knew it was the thing for leftovers. Well, if you like what you saw, have any thoughts, have the book, don't have the book, leave me a like, leave me a comment. And I will see you in the next video.